In this video, we're going to be installing an iCarbons skin on the PlayStation Gold wireless headset. To start out with, I'll let you guys know that the installation here is going to require a little bit of stretch, being that the top of the headphone wrap is curved in two different directions. So start out here by aligning the skin along the bottom edge of the top wrap. Tack it into place, and then we're going to add some tension as we work our way around. Here you can see that I'm pulling decently hard to stretch the film just slightly as we work our way all the way around. Keep your alignment nice and even as you work your way around. You can see here as we reach the end, we're still a little bit short. If you look at the sides, you'll see there's excess material. This is showing that it wasn't stretched just quite enough. So what we're going to do is lift the film up all the way back to the beginning and work around the top one more time. You can do this as many times as necessary until you have the film properly stretched to relieve any excess material. As you can see here, we're lining up nice and even with the end, and at this point it's stretched just enough that you can go back and smooth the sides down, and you shouldn't end up with any wrinkles. Moving on to the next step, the two side pieces above the actual earphones can be removed very easily. Hold the headphones in your hand and push forward with your thumbs. This will unsnap the small piece and make the installation much easier. Go ahead and remove the piece from the release liner. Start out by registering it with the small logo area. Tack the film around the logo, and then again with a little bit of tension because of this curve, pull the film up and then seat it down smoothly with your fingers, rubbing from the inside outwards. There's also a small piece on the bottom here, which is just a simple peel and stick installation. Repeat this same process for the other earphone. Start out by registering it with the logo cut out. Tack the film down, and then again with a little bit of tension, pulling the film up, seating it, and then working from the inside out towards the edges. Now simply place these pieces back on and snap them back into place. At this point, your installation is almost complete. You can go back with a hairdryer if you do notice that there are any little areas left with any wrinkles or bubbles, or you can warm the film to seat it correctly and take those out. At this point, your installation is complete. We hope you enjoy your skin from iCarbons.